but I haven't put the other stuff back in yet. So let's see what we can do. I need, aha, I did get some more. I might be able to do this. Might. Haven't. Okay, there's that, there's that. I might have a screwdriver. Now where is my tool case? Anybody see my tool case? Anybody? Anybody? Okay, who stole my tool case? Oh. I thought my tool case was right here. But it might be buried. I have a feeling this is going to get destroyed. I thought it was under my jacket. I'll probably cut this out. I know you guys are probably getting tired of me fast forwarding through things. Oh, there it is. Okay, which one of you stuck it there? I didn't. See what I mean by sitting down? Okay. So, gotta find, I think it's gonna be this one. And it's going to be the quarter. Screwdriver, but I'm not going to be able to do this in the chair. Not going to happen because I got to turn this one upside down and do it too. So put that down there. So as you can see, we're just going to take the screws out. Falls apart just like that. So now I need too big. Sometimes tearing things apart is the other way. I mean, tearing apart, you know, taking a hammer to it is a lot better. But unfortunately, this is all metal. And switch to the other one. So I got that. Now I'm going to leave this wood on here. It's not that much. And who puts Loctite on wood? Just anything to raise the price up. So, yeah, I'll leave that like that. Unfortunately, I do not have, well, maybe now see, a lot of people wouldn't take the time to undo this, you know, but more and more I've been seeing scrap yards cut down on junk and start deducting people. You know, which, you know, whoops, that is something that I knew that was going to start happening, because, you know, scrap yards can't get rid of their scrap. Guess what happens? One, they either they either watch you as you're jumping your stuff, or where was I? If you guys haven't noticed by now, I have a problem of staying on topic as I'm doing work. Because I do. And, you know, I'm not the only one that has that issue. I think Scrap and Pallet Man has that. Scrap Life 24/7. And if I'm not mistaken, I think, but I'm not 100% sure, Shayman TV. I think I remember him once saying that when he's doing stuff, he doesn't talk because he makes mistakes. So let me see if I can do. Probably won't work, but if it doesn't, then I'll just throw it away like this. But I'm gonna at least try. Maybe it's not in there. Figures. I don't have one that's just right to go across. Yep. Oh well. But as you can see, I tore down shelving. Looks like I think it was a headboard at one time, but I was going to use it as a cabinet, but unfortunately I damaged it as I was loading it up from that storage unit. That's the only reason why I took it, is because I was going to use it, but then once I found out that it was damaged, you know, I could have definitely used that on shelving, but unfortunately don't work that way. But yeah, 2 chairs, headboard, and the shelving is what I took apart. Now I'm going to put all the metal up front, and I'm going to grab all the trash and put it towards the back, so this way I can go and dump it, because I don't know when the next trash day is coming. But yeah, so actually it's been a productive day so far. You know, I checked out, you know, the Christmas lights, taken 2 chairs apart, part of a bed, and shelving. So I guess that's it for this. See, this is what I need to find a whole bunch of. Nice, thick metal. I just realized something. You know what that kind of reminds me of? Brackets for the front of my the sides that I'm putting up in the front. Put it right there. This way it'll stay all together. Nah. Unfortunately, if this was a little bit closer and this was a little bit closer, yes, I could. But unfortunately, no. But I'll come across something that I'll be able to use, I hope. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for coming on this small little adventure. Well, not really an adventure, just me taking things apart. That's what I do, and that's what I like to do. So, as I always say, scrap it right, and make that money. Peace. Later, Gators.